It's an icky, rainy day here. I'm just glad that it was pretty through his birthday party. And then as soon as it was over, it starts pouring rain. Well, there goes some sirens. Anyway, now Xavier and Tori are playing with all of his birthday stuff. Are you having fun?
Yeah. We're having a blast.
You like all that stuff better than the Monster High?
Kind of. But look, this thing right here,
Uh-huh.
it comes out. Yeah, it's her little iPhone coffin, whatever.
Oh, that's
that has
cute.
music.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Remember, it sits right there.
There's me. Hello. I got on my good luck pants today for St. Patrick's Day. And now back to the rain. I love you, Sean. I wish you could be here today. And I love you, Latricia. Hopefully you can see his birthday next year. Hello, Ty, and all the kids. Give the kids kisses for me. This is for all the people that I want you to know that I'm thinking about right now. I love you all.